Meet Pixsee Play and Pixsee Friends, the smart baby camera that stimulates your child's learning with the cutest Link soft toys. Our cuddly friends play music and turn any room into a stimulating environment where baby would be lucky to sleep, learn, and grow. Each Pixsee friend represents a unique musical personality. Our monkey is energetic, funny, and positive, while Bunny is brave, sensible, and confident. And Trunky is warm, gentle, and kind. Each soft toy also has its own QR code, which you can scan to download up to 50 wonderful tunes into the Pixsee app. All you have to do is hold Pixsee Friend in front of the camera and Pixsee Play will detect it and play music. And don't forget to use one of my favorite features, the music scheduler, to adjust the total music playback time. Pixsee Friends make our experience complete and add a magical touch to all the other amazing qualities our baby camera has. Some of my favorites are full high-definition video quality, two-way talk to check on baby, and tons of lullabies and music scheduler to help build a daily routine.